2 minus 7 times 3 divided by 5. Now, you can start by solving it wrongly, like saying 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 will give us what? Minus 5, all right? And you can also say, okay, bring this down, which is divided by 5. Now, minus 5 times 3 is going to give us minus 15, all right? Divide by 5. So minus 15 divided by 5 is going to give us minus 3. This is wrong. According to PEMDAS, so this and this have equal priority. Multiplication and division have equal priority, same as addition and subtraction. So we are solving from left to right, okay? So now, if we solve this again, if we solve this again, 2 minus 7 times 3 divided by what? 5. So we have 2 minus 7 times 3 divided by 5, all right? Now, what we need to do first, PEMDAS says we have to do multiplication first, all right? Because we are solving from what? Left to right. So if we do this multiplication first, bring down this 2 minus 7 times 3 is going to give us 21, all right? Divide by what? 5. Now, the next thing to do here is what? Division, because we have division and subtraction. So PEMDAS says we have to do division first. So we can write this 21 divided by 5 in form of fraction, all right? So if you bring down this 21 divided by 5, put the minus sign. Now let's make this 2. We are going to make this 2 a fraction as well, okay? So let's make this 2 a fraction. So we put our 2 over 1 here. Now we are going to use butterfly method to solve this so that we can get different answers for the question. So this times this will give us 21. 2, don't mind my butterfly is not very fine. 2 times 5 will give us 10. Now multiply this. 1 times 5. So this plus this is going to give us what? 10 minus, so there's minus sign here, all right? 10 minus 21 is going to give us negative 11 over 1 times 5 is going to give us 5. So this is the answer for the mixed improper fraction, all right? So we can make this answer a mixed fraction too. 5 will go into 11 how many times? 2 times. So 5 divided minus 11 will give us minus 2. Remember what? 1, which is 1 over this 5 right here. So we have 2 whole number, 1 over 5, minus 2 whole number, 1 over 5, okay? So now let's check for the decimal answer. So we are going to use our long division to check for the decimal answer to this. So put the minus 11 inside, then the 5 that is dividing. So 5 will go into this minus 11 how many times? It will go negative 2 times because the answer is carrying negative, all right? So now, minus 2 times 5 is going to give us minus 10. So this minus will cancel out this minus, all right? 11 minus 10 is going to give us what? 1. All right? 11 minus 10 will give us 1. Okay? So 5 into this 1, you cannot go. So we'll bring our point here, add 0 to this one. So now we can divide. 10 divided by 5 is going to give us 2. 2 times 5 is 10. We subtract and we'll get our answer as 0. So this is the answer for the decimal. So let me box the answer for you. This is the decimal answer. All right. This is the improper fraction answer. This answer is for the mixed fraction, while this answer is for the decimal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment. Your comments and your likes will go a long way. Thank you so much.